Welcome to Trumark Financial and November's newsletter of Hitting the Mark. We want you hitting the mark every time in your practice, and Trumark is looking, of course, to be your partner in helping you in life, long-term care and disability, business and personal planning. This month, we're going to be talking about long-term care and the uses of life insurance in the planning environment. Long-term care, of course, it's November, and November is Long-Term Care Awareness Month. We're all looking at the different types of products now available in the long-term care arena. Most of our producers, such as yourself, are looking for advice in the long-term care arena and what products they should be presenting to their clients. I think first and foremost at Trumark, we want to advise you that there are many different ways that long-term care services are provided and the policies that provide security for our clients. We have traditionally the standalone products that you're all familiar with. We've seen a lot of carriers exiting the market. I think you would need expert advice in that area, knowing which products to sell, standalone traditional products and standalone partnership products, especially here in the state of California. We also have the hybrid products, very popular lately for the clients who understand that the standalone policies are use it or lose it propositions, and they're looking for more value for their premium dollars. As we like to say, standalone policies may be an expense charge to the client. They may understand that it's premiums paid for a service they may not need, but they understand it's a very real risk in their portfolio. In the life products with the long-term care riders, whether it's an indemnity model or reimbursement, whether it's a traditional 7702 long-term care plan or 101G, some of these chronic riders you've seen lately, clients need advice on how these are done. But the main thing we want to point out that it's really just a capital reallocation for our clients. They're taking money and reallocating it to a service that they need, which is protection from long-term care. If they need it, these benefits will be paid out in a tax-free nature. If not, they have the death benefit that will pass on this death benefit to the heirs on a tax-free basis. Great benefits to the client, a lot of value being provided. We have a number of carriers who now have these long-term care riders on their policies, and clients are looking for advice on where to go. We also have the single premium products that you're familiar with, the hybrid products where we have single premiums, and we're leveraging up for also long-term care and life insurance benefits. And as you know, we've seen a lot of annuity products come out in our state that provide long-term care benefits also. So these products and services can be delivered in a number of different ways. We want to help educate you so you can speak to your clients about these products and their uses. And one of these ways we're going to do it is in December on the 4th. We'll be having a seminar at the Lafayette Park Hotel. It's a symposium to help you understand the differences in these products. Numbers should be up here on the board. Feel free to call and reserve a spot. We'd love to see you there. I think it's going to be a lot of value for you in understanding how long-term care services are delivered through insurance products, and also to understand the differences that our clients may be uninformed about, in that they may assume that their government is still going to take care of them. We're going to discuss a bit about Medicare and Medi-Cal services and how they're provided to our customers and why it's really not an option any longer for them. We look forward to you being there. But call your Trumark wholesaler. He'd be happy to help you. We always want to present our clients with options, and I think that's the main thing we do, is give our clients options in the long-term care arena. Another focus for a lot of clients is and are talking about how they're going to retire and how they're going to look for income in retirement and where are the alternatives for them. A lot of our clients have pointed out, from you can see in the screen here, there's a gap in their retirement savings. Their qualified plans, perhaps they can't get enough in, especially with the more income they earn. It gets much more difficult to put money away to replace their income in retirement to help them to live a comfortable retirement. So they're looking for income planning needs in this area, beyond qualified retirement plans, and of course Social Security is really a bedrock that maybe some of our younger clients are considering may not be there for them. So we're using some of the products that we represent to help you guys understand income replacement and income in retirement and the uses through insurance products. As we all understand, any perfect retirement plan would be, of course, tax-deductible contributions to the plan, tax-deferred accumulation into the plan while it's growing, and then tax-free distributions at the end. In a perfect world for the consumers, they love to have all three. In the real world, they can't. We know that really all it's provided is one or two of the three buckets, and the client gets to choose. Two of the three, maybe we want the deductions up front, deferred growth, and then taxable distributions on the end. Everybody's familiar with that. That's our typical qualified retirement plans. And then maybe taking after-tax dollars, putting it into the plan, growing it tax-deferred and tax-free distributions at the end, Roth IRAs. And when we also look at life insurance products as one of these alternatives. We hope and want people to understand that tax rates aren't static. We've seen a lot of tax changes over the years, and we want them to understand that perhaps taxes will be going up into the future, and maybe tax-free income is where we should be looking at for them. So again, kind of a busy slide here, but we do want to point out that cash value life insurance falls into that same field of after-tax contribution, tax-deferred growth, and then tax-free distributions on the end. Roth IRAs, a municipal bond portfolio, cash value life insurance. First and foremost, our clients are always going to want to be purchasing life insurance. The bedrock of life insurance is the death benefit provided, and we think that's a plus for our clients in retirement planning. Whether they're buying it in their qualified plans, it's a way in the event of early death to self-complete their retirement, and if they're buying it outside of their qualified plans, of course, that same death benefit will be paid if they happen to die early. So the use of life insurance is always essential to any client's planning. We look at the additional benefits of the accumulation inside the plan, and that's where we get some advantages here. In the life insurance area, we kind of put it into the overall bucket of planning. People are going to continue to have their qualified plans. They may have some other IRAs and 401ks and annuities that they purchase. Life insurance is tax advantaged in that the distributions come out on the backside in a tax favored manner and accumulate tax deferred within the insurance contract. And again, this holds true for any type of policy they purchase in the permanent arena, interest-sensitive, universal life, whole life, a variable universal life product. They need advice in this area to properly plan it so it doesn't violate any federal guidelines on accumulation and distribution from the products. Your Trumark wholesaler course is there for you to help you plan in this area. A number of advantages for our clients in looking at life insurance as an addition to their retirement planning. We'll help you design portfolios there. And again, the advantage of the tax treatments of life insurance could be great for our clients. Just summing that up quickly for you all, life insurance plan provides financial security, of course. First and foremost, it provides life insurance. If you're to die, the security is there because the death benefits are usually received tax-free if the primary insured dies early, providing protection for their family funds when it's most needed. And more assets for retirement. Properly designing a product, we can accumulate cash inside that plan that the client can use for a tax-advantaged retirement income. Very essential if we look at where we think tax rates are going into the future. And the advantages here, of course, the cash value can be supplemented for retirement income, any cash emergencies that come up for the client, and other needs that can be provided on a tax-free basis for our clients. That's kind of where we're at today. We want you to reach out to a lot of you on the insurance side, and understanding that insurance also provides benefits for the business owner, and that's where we're looking at a lot today, where we have small business owners looking to use insurance products. Probably our best asset right now to provide for you guys is the free informal business valuations that we're offering through a couple of our main carriers. This is a great door opener for you to get into the small business area. These informal business valuations provide a lot of value for these clients, especially as we have some baby boomer owners who are reaching retirement age or near it and trying to figure out what their most important asset is worth, their business that they built up over the years. And this opens a conversation for you, different business planning opportunities. Of course, we help them in the buy-sell arena, key person, any kind of succession planning they want to do. You may get into deferred compensations in some areas, and of course, exit planning and family protection for the business owner client. Our business owner services are broad. We think we have a lot of advantages with our carriers and products to help you with protecting your client, protecting their business, and hopefully to plan for their future as they transition out of the business. Again, remember that very important tool of the free informal business valuation. Contact your Trumark wholesaler. He'd be happy to help you with that. Again, who are those? Here they are up here on the board. Call out to each of these guys. I think they're familiar with you. We look forward to seeing you at our seminar or calling us soon. Thank you again for listening today. Trumark, helping you hit the mark every time in your practice. Thank you.